Hello friends, welcome to your English learning class. In today's video, we will learn 100 easy English words with simple sentences, repeated 2 times so you can listen, speak, and remember easily. This video is perfect for beginners, for practice, and for improving your daily English speaking. So sit back, relax, and repeat after me. Let's begin your English learning journey. Able. I am able to finish my work. I am able to finish my work. Next, after, we will go home after school. We will go home after school. Next, again, please say it again. Please say it again. Next, air, we need air to breathe. We need air to breathe. Next, always, she always wakes up early. She always wakes up early. Next, animal, the dog is a friendly animal. The dog is a friendly animal. Next, answer, he gave the right answer. He gave the right answer. Next, apple, I eat an apple every day. I eat an apple every day. Next, around, the kids played around the park. The kids played around the park. Next, bag, my bag is very heavy. My bag is very heavy. Next, ball, he threw the ball very far. He threw the ball very far. Next, beautiful, the flowers are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. Next, because, I am late because of traffic. I am late because of traffic. Next, become, I want to become a teacher. I want to become a teacher. Next, before, finish your homework before dinner. Finish your homework before dinner. Next, begin, let's begin the class now. Let's begin the class now. Next, bird, the bird is flying in the sky. The bird is flying in the sky. Next, book, I read a book every night. I read a book every night. Next, both boys are playing. Both boys are playing. Next, brother, my brother is very kind. My brother is very kind. Next, build, they build a small house. They build a small house. Next, busy, I am busy today. I am busy today. Next, buy, I will buy a new pen. I will buy a new pen. Next, call, please call me later. Please call me later. Next, care, she takes care of the baby. She takes care of the baby. Next, carry, he carries a big box. He carries a big box. Next, change, I want to change my life. I want to change my life. Next, city, I live in a big city. I live in a big city. Next, clean, keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. Next, close, please close the door. Please close the door. Next, cold, it is very cold today. It is very cold today. Next, come here, please. Come here, please. Next, cook, my mother cooks tasty food. My mother cooks tasty food. Next, cry, don't cry, everything is okay. Don't cry, everything is okay. Next, cut, be careful when you cut paper. Be careful when you cut paper. Next, dance, she can dance very well. She can dance very well. Next, dark, the room is dark at night. The room is dark at night. Next, day, today is a sunny day. Today is a sunny day. Next, deep, the river is very deep. The river is very deep. Next, do, I do my work daily. I do my work daily. Next, door, someone is knocking on the door. Someone is knocking on the door. Next, draw, I draw a picture. I draw a picture. Next, dream, I have a beautiful dream. I have a beautiful dream. Next, drive, he can drive a car. He can drive a car. Next, drink, I drink water every hour. I drink water every hour. Next, early, I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Next, easy, this lesson is very easy. This lesson is very easy. Next, eat, I eat rice and vegetables. I eat rice and vegetables. Next, enough, I have enough money. I have enough money. Next, evening, I walk in the evening. I walk in the evening. Next, every, I study every day. I study every day. Next, family, I love my family. I love my family. Next, far, the school is far from here. The school is far from here. Next, fast, he runs very fast. He runs very fast. Next, father, my father is a good man. My father is a good man. Next, feel, I feel happy today. I feel happy today. Next, find, I find my lost pen. I find my lost pen. Next, finish, please finish your work. Please finish your work. Next, fire, the fire is very hot. The fire is very hot. Next, first, she won the first prize. She won the first prize. Next, floor, the baby is sitting on the floor. The baby is sitting on the floor. Next, flower, this is a red flower. This is a red flower. Next, food, I like spicy food. I like spicy food. Next, friend, he is my best friend. He is my best friend. Next, full, the glass is full of water. The glass is full of water. Next, fun, we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. Next, game, let's play a game. Let's play a game. Next, get, I get up at 6 a.m. I get up at 6 a.m. Next, girl, the girl is singing a song. The girl is singing a song. Next, give, please give me a pen. Please give me a pen. Next, go, I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Next, good, she is a good student. She is a good student. Next, great, you did a great job. You did a great job. Next, happy, I feel happy today. I feel happy today. Next, hard, this work is very hard. This work is very hard. Next, have, I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. Next, he is my best friend. He is my best friend. Next, help, please help me. Please help me. Next, here, sit here, please. Sit here, please. Next, home, I go home in the evening. I go home in the evening. Next, hot, the tea is very hot. The tea is very hot. Next, house, this is my house. This is my house. Next, how are you? How are you? Next, hungry, I am very hungry. I am very hungry. Next, ice, the ice is very cold. The ice is very cold. Next, important, this lesson is very important. This lesson is very important. Next, in, the book is in the bag. The book is in the bag. Next, job, my father has a good job. My father has a good job. Next, join, please join us. Please join us. Next, jump, the boy can jump high. The boy can jump high. Next, kind, she is a kind teacher. She is a kind teacher. Next, no, I know the answer. I know the answer. Next, late, I am getting late for school. I am getting late for school. Next, learn, I want to learn English. I want to learn English. Next, leave, we leave home at 8 a.m. We leave home at 8 a.m. Next, light, the room has bright light. The room has bright light. Next, like, I like chocolate. I like chocolate. Next, listen, please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Next, little, I have little time. I have little time. Next, long, this is a long road. This is a long road.